If you're a complete beginner coming back to the guitar, or you just want to sharpen your skills, head to the skill builder section. Pentatonic, shape 4, A shape in the key of G. Here we go. 2, ready, go. Shape 4, major pentatonic A shape in the key of G. We did it. I know I say it a lot, but we only got how many shapes? We got the 5. And we're here. We started on shape 5, then we did 1, 2, 3, and now we're at 4. Well, something amazing happens right here, which is so fun, and it's one of my favorite things in music. I like to see music in the West as a distance. We're going 0 to 12th frets. And then music does this really cool thing. It just repeats, and it repeats, and it repeats to infinity and beyond. So I see music kind of as a length. Broken down in between it is the notes that we attack. And we're learning our pentatonic shapes. So after this is done, we'll have made it a full octave on each one of our strings. Okay, for this one, honestly, you're probably feeling okay. Your picking's getting under control. Your alternate picking is doing really good. Your left hand maybe is starting to get some space. Shape 1 still kind of stinks. That's okay. Shape 2's feeling pretty good. Shape 5 feels great. Shape 3... maybe newer, fresher, but still also starting to feel good under those hands. Shape 4, it's an underutilized shape. We'll talk about it later. Some people talk about how to attack this one. It's a great shape to have and great pass through. It's just good for dexterity, and we want to connect our dots. And then down the road, we'll probably really pick this shape back up. But on this one, we're going to be starting on the 10th fret, and it's going to look like a mirror image of itself. So I'll call it out. Here we go. Ready? Go middle pinky twice, index pinky twice, and here starts that mirror, and then it's middle pinky twice. This one shouldn't have too many phases. You should kind of play it up, feel okay, maybe even start playing back right away, turn on that metronome, and try to link up. If you don't link up right away, that's normal and typical. Just give it a minute. Play and cycle, go back, and go forward. Cool? So this finishes our 5 major pentatonic shapes. Super awesome. A little bit of a secret. You also now know your minor pentatonic shapes, but we'll talk about that in the future. Your hands are starting to feel okay. Maybe you're starting to get a little more consistent. Your clarity's starting to come together, but we're through a full octave on our guitar on each one of our strings, and we actually passed through a number of octaves in the key of G to be broken down later. Que paso, people? Mental mindset. I love this one. Choose your hard. I saw this the other day, and it's certainly something that I prescribe to and a philosophy that I've loved for a while, but I loved how simply and clearly it was put. The concept for me is this. I personally think life is wild. It's insane. It's beautiful. Even the concept of it gets a little bit heady because I happen to be a little bit of a heady person. But, the whole flying through space on a giant rock thing, it can get you. But it's not easy. Okay, it's beautiful, it's fantastic, I love it. Gosh, I love music and that connection to it, but it's not easy. So we need to choose our heart. A good example of this that I typically talk about or I think about in my life is like it's not super easy with health. I got to stay consistent. I got to do things. I have to do things that I don't want to. But I frankly find that a lot easier than the consequences of not doing that. What ends up happening? I don't feel good. My energy stinks. I don't have any drive. I run into injuries. I can't play guitar because I'm injured. Okay? So choose your hard. The nice thing about guitar is it is not easy, but it's not difficult. It doesn't have to be so confusing and so difficult. That's why I built the app, so that you have clarity from the app. The app should offer you where you're at and help you build and be clear. Then you just work on consistency and presence, so your hard becomes actually not too bad. Your hard really becomes being consistent. 10, 20 minutes a day. We're not talking about anything super wild either. So, which, I don't want to undersell that. 10, 20 minutes a day on anything can feel a little bit daunting. We need to work with our schedules and everything else. I have other stuff that helps us keep the guitar with us. But choosing our hard, I personally think it is way easier to spend 10 or 20 minutes a day learning guitar, being present to it, enjoying that process, not getting caught up in the rest of the life, than it is to look back with regret. Let's say you are looking back with regret. Well, guess what? We're still here, and we're still here today. And I have taught people on every age of the spectrum. We're all kids at heart, and music is something that keeps us young. It's so great for the brain. I don't care if you're just starting and you're young, or you've regretted not picking it up for too many years and you're looking back and you're saying, I didn't do it then, why now? Well, that's 100% why. Choose your hard. I promise you will enjoy it and stay present to it. In this case, our hard isn't too bad. We need that 10, 20 minutes and just start getting present with our guitar. I'll help you with clarity. These videos will help you lock into clarity, see yourself, teach you how you learn, teach you how to learn the guitar and how you function with it, okay? So choose your hard, choose this one, because I promise you this hard is a lot easier, feels so much better, so much more gratifying, and so much more fun than the option of not doing it. Choose your hard. Hey, you made it this far, and that is absolutely awesome. That means that you truly care about learning and understanding. That's why I built FretRepz for you. It offers clarity, tracks progress, and turns drills into real skills. No more wasted time, no more guessing. Head to the link below or go to FretRepz.com and give it a try. Also, if you found this information helpful, please subscribe and ring that notification bell, because we got plenty more coming. FretRepz. Practice smarter, play better.